All right, this email is from David in Humble. And he says, "Hi, Jim. I sent a message about a month ago, but never heard back. And I do apologize, David. I do try to answer as many email questions as I can, but I get so many, I just sometimes do miss some of them. I'm in need of either getting my home repiped or having a lining put in the galvanized water pipes. Can you give me any recommendations of companies that deal with the lining or even both to determine which way I need to go with this? Thanks, David." Well, for quite a few years there, the lining, which is called the E-pipe system, was extremely popular because it was a kind of an inexpensive way of redoing the pipes. Now, it does have a couple of shortcomings. One being, if you ever have a plumber come work on the home, you need to make sure that he understands that it's got that material in the pipes, because it makes a difference on how he does things. But beyond that, the system works great. I don't have any issues with it. But when PEX pipe plumbing came out and started getting real popular, that actually put the E-pipe system kind of on the back burner, simply because you can get brand new pipes for the same and sometimes even less than using the E-pipe Duraflow system. And so that's really overtaken the market, because both systems are going to have some holes in the sheetrock here and there in order to make hookups and stuff. The reason you couldn't do it before with regular pipes was they were rigid and you couldn't make the bends and stuff to get them installed down the walls. But with the flexibility of PEX plumbing, it makes it very easy to drop it down walls and then fish it out through the holes and get it hooked up to everything. Some of the huge advantages to going with PEX versus just a E-pipe system, and I'll go back to the freeze again. When the pipes freeze, and it will happen again that we get a freeze like that, as the water expands, so does the pipe when you use PEX plumbing. And then when the pipes thaw out, the PEX goes back to size, and it doesn't burst the pipe the way it happens with galvanized pipes, copper pipes, or PVC pipes. It's just a much more durable system, and let's face it, you got a brand new plumbing system versus an old one that's been doctored up to buy you some more years. So realistically, that's what you're going to be looking at. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.